Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. CFT here. In this video, I wanted to show you how to bridge your jewels from Harmony to Avalanche. I see this question come up a lot in the DeFi Kingdom Discord, and newcomers asking how do they bridge their jewels to Avalanche. So I decided to make a quick video on how to do that. So let's get right into it. It's a pretty simple process. To start off, click on the doc master. From the doc master, click on multi-chain, formerly known as AnySwap. Choose the jewel token for Harmony and Avalanche. Keep in mind that the fee is 0.94 joule, so you probably want to consider sending your jewel in large amounts, and the estimated time takes about 10 to 30 minutes depending on how congested the mainnet is. So I have 7 joules, so I'm going to send just 3 joules to Avalanche swap. So while that's processing, in MetaMask, go to your Avalanche, assuming you have your Avalanche RPC already in your MetaMask. I already have 1 joule on Avalanche. In my MetaMask, you could add the joule token for Avalanche by going to the Discord channel. Here is the contract address for the AVAX joule. Just copy that, paste it here. I already have it in my MetaMask. So for you, it will say Joule, and then you could add it to your MetaMask. Okay. I'll also leave the contract address in the description. If you need it, you can again get it from the Discord, from the DeFi Kingdom Discord. And that's it. Once the transaction is completed, you'll see your Joule in your MetaMask on Avalanche. Once the transaction is completed, you'll see that I have a total of 3 joules. I had 1 joule from before, and there's our 2 joules that we just sent over from Harmony to Avalanche. Obviously, if you're going to do any transactions later on the Avalanche, you will need AVAX for transactions and network fees. So what you can do is you could swap some of your joules already on Avalanche to AVAX on Pangolian. Choose AVAX and choose Joule, and there you go. So you could swap some Joule to AVAX for transaction fees. So just keep that in mind. Now that you have bridged Joule from Harmony to Avalanche, it's a pretty simple process. So drop your questions below if you have any. See y'all in the next video. Peace.